Right, before I hop on a little bit, let's go outside and show you the new PA system at home. Let's start with sound. What I got for sound is got these Sony HDL60s, and then we got the Sony HDL20 and the other HDL60s down there. And we got some Then we got some 2 PV monitors running as fallback, running as a post-fade series. But what I said before, there is an EDM show on, so I got a stack of the Sony HDL18S on the side, and some more of these stacked on top of the other. And there's one over there, and this one up here is clearly working. Let's get to lighting. Lighting, you might have seen these before. Oh yeah, and Mr. Splash down there. Hello, Mr. Splash. Let's go downstairs, and there you go. This is our wash light. These are the ADJ Dots Floods. Got a Sony that side, Sony up there, and that's Sony up there. Let's show you. There you go. There's one up there doing Top's duty, and we got the sound desk, and we got a lighting desk, which is our lights here. These are the ADJ COBs, 2 of them either side, and some across here to get the DJ to see the DJ even more and stuff. And we got ADJ inner pocket spots and the inner pocket spot twins going across and stuff. And we got a ADJ inner pocket spot, 2 pocket spot twins, and an inner pocket spot in the middle. So that's our setup. So for our mixing desk, which is over here, we got light there, and we got the same lights. The crack 2s are still there, so still got those. One of them is sold. We got one doing the gobo, which is there, and it does all types of different shapes. We got a DJ up there. The camera, of course, doing the spotlight. That's where it's facing. That's where it's facing. And we got all types of different spotlights facing in the DJ's time. And I'll be down here with the DJ, but I'll be upstairs with the DJ. That's where but the sound might be absolute shit, so you won't be able to hear it properly, and the camera will probably be shaking because of the bass. And I got some big stacks of the KV subs that Tracy Fabulous's neighbor Simon took a video of for Tracy and stuff, and got the altos on the roof as well, that the inner pocket spots sitting on top of, and some inner pocket spots like that we're going to be using to do some go-ways all around. And this is the hangout booth. That's what we're going to be. So yeah, that right there is driving me absolutely nuggets. Let me face me to here. Let me do that. And once again, that's the Sony that I was telling you. And I have 2 of them. I hope. Only coming in the mail. So one there has seen better. Sounds like doesn't work anymore. They still are pretty loud. Got the players there in the corner. That's where the sound engineer's gonna be sitting. Let me show you the DJ booth. It's pretty pleasing. You could steal your mummy's credit card for this. This is where the DJ will be standing. These are facing up to me. And the brackets for them is pretty cool. It's like behind one, so you get to see the Sonys even more. And there's the other one. This is where I'll be sitting to make sure the DJ does a really good job. But keep in mind the video footage will be rubbish because I got some guys in with camcorders and stuff, which are the big ones. Which the camera quality will be a bit shaky, like, and need someone going from the bass. Put on a song so I can show you. See? That's how loud they are. And a power cable has ran into here. And this is the light I was telling you about. That there is driving me insane. Let me turn it a little while to a mile. There you go. That's where the DJ's going to be EDMing. There's the DJ's booth. Above the guys where they're going to have lunch. With a speaker on that side. And I don't think you can see it here. But a speaker there. And we got the crack the first, then crack the second, and we got two ADJ InnoSpot twins across there, which is going to do an amazing job at the gomos and stuff. ADJ InnoPocketSpot twins, InnoPocketSpot twins, InnoPocketSpot hots. Got so many moving heads at this event today. They dance in time to the music now, so they always will.